In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock the time zone in Calendly. If you've ever been frustrated coordinating meetings across different time zones, this guide is for you. First and foremost, we're going to start from the Calendly homepage. It's important to note that what we're doing today is creating a new event type. So let's go ahead and click on New Event Type. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, we'll simply choose a one-on-one meeting. This option is perfect for personal or professional engagements where you're meeting with another individual. Once you make your selection, you'll see a pop-up appear in the right corner of your screen. This pop-up is your control center for the new event. Here, you can customize the name of the meeting, set the duration, and tailor other details to fit your preferences. Customization is crucial to ensuring your event aligns well with your schedule and expectations. When you're satisfied with your settings, click Create. It's a straightforward process that'll have you ready to manage your time effectively. After clicking Create, you'll notice another pop-up appearing on your screen resembling a calendar. This next step is all about setting up your event's availability. Locate the section where you can identify the time zone. You'll find it by navigating through the calendar pop-up. Once you're in the time zone section, you have the option to choose or lock the time zone. Remember, locking the time zone is an essential step if you want to ensure consistency and avoid any confusion for attendees joining from different areas. Once you have locked in the desired time zone, you're almost done. The final step is to simply save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and give it a click. This will seal all the settings that you've meticulously put into place and ensure your event is exactly how you want it. It's as easy as that. By following these steps, you now have a reliable, efficient event type setup in Calendly, mitigating the risks of misalignments due to varied time zones. And that's really all there is to it. Converting your Calendly events to a locked time zone format can significantly enhance your scheduling experience. This ensures clarity and makes sure all of your attendees are perfectly aligned, regardless of where they are in the world. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to leave your questions or feedback in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. See you next time.